What's up everyone, welcome to this brand new channel. This channel will bring you a lot of useful videos about iOS developing and Swift coding. My name is Alex and let's start our first video. Today we're gonna talk about such an important UI element as UI button, and we're gonna create it in a small project. So let's open up Xcode, create a new project. It will be a simple application and let's call it just UI button project. Okay, let's set interface as storyboard, language as Swift, and none of these stuff, we don't need them. Next, creating this project, and let's just first of all expand our window and start our project on simulator to see if there's any errors. Well, our application started without any problems. It's good. So UI button is one of the most useful elements in iOS developing, and you can see it in almost every application. Now we're gonna create this UI element and give it some properties, some functions, and etc. Everything will be done by code without using storyboard. So let's start. First of all, let's close this side of window. Let's create our button, UI button. Oops, UI button, and return our button. So let's give it some properties. First of all, let's give it frame, cgrect, x, y, x will be 165, y like 200, width 100, and height 102. Let's give it background color. Oops. Button dot background color equals, well, let's set system blue, and let's give it some title. Set title for normal state. Okay, here is our button, and the next step we should not forget is to add it to our window as subview. View.add subview and button. Okay, here we go. So let's start our project and see if it, oh, here we go. We see our button, but if we tap on it, it doesn't do anything because we didn't give it some functions yet. So let's make one function for button. Objective-C func button pushed, let's call it such a way, and just let's say to print button tapped. For button we should set target. Oops, add target, yes, add target selector, oops, oh, self selector, and we should paste this name, button pushed, for event touch up inside. Okay, and let's run our project. Well, when we tap on our button, here we see button tapped. It printed. So our function worked. You see how many times we tap on this button and there are a lot of printed like button tab, button tab. Well, let's make this project a bit much interesting. Let's make an array of background colors for our, well, if we tap our button, it should change our background color randomly. So first of all, let's make an array of colors. It will be UI color and will equal, okay, that system blue, system pink, that system yellow, system mint, and system gray. Okay, and here we should say that when we tap on our button, the view's background color should change as colors dot random element. Okay, let's run our project and see what we got. If we tap on button, and here we go, we get a lot of like randomly colors that we set on our array. That's it. So let's, while on some projects buttons are like round, circle, and to get this shape we should give it some other property called button.layer and corner radius, let's set it as 50, and button.layer border width, let's give it 2. Here we go, and we get round button. If we push, the color of background is changing randomly, and that's how button works. If you like this video, hit down your like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.